Imagine you want to buy new shoes, and no matter where you go, only one size option is available. Sounds quite strange, right? But the large majority of the medicine we consume fits in this one-size-fits-all category. It's a practical but restrictive structure where most patients receive the same drugs at the same doses and frequencies as others. However, this can lead to an undesired response in patients. Personalized medicines can be seen as the opposite of the one-size-fits-all perspective. It can potentially revolutionize the healthcare industry by customizing medication to a specific individual. This can lead to more precise and efficient medications, improving patient compliance. Compounding pharmacies were already a bit familiar with this process, but now 3D printers are making it more accessible. Personalized medicine sounds like a great alternative, but how do you create these tailored drugs? What's the first 3D printed medicine anyway? And what are the benefits of 3D printed medicine? We'll cover it in this video. Let's start with the first question. 3 decades ago, 3D printers were large and expensive. Over the last decades, costs have decreased so much that most hobbyists can afford a 3D printing machine of their own. The emergence of 3D printing allowed the idea of printable and personalized medicine to grow and develop into new opportunities to treat patients. Even so that in 2015, the FDA approved the first 3D printed tablet, Spritam. So, what are some benefits of 3D printed personalized drugs like Spritam? Well, first of all, compared to the traditional way, 3D printed medicine uses smaller batches, so a smaller quantity of the API and other ingredients. The manufacturing process is also easier and faster, requiring only a 3D printer, which results in low equipment costs. Consequently, 3D printers are great for producing immediate medicine. It can also be very crucial in parts of the world where there is not fair access to medicine, such as military operations and disaster areas. Another benefit of 3D printed medicine is the possibility of combining different drugs in one pill. In some cases where patients use various pills, it would be more convenient and safer if people could take just polypills, one pill that provides all the proper medications at the right time in the correct dose, eliminating the risk of getting the wrong treatment. But 3D printed medicine doesn't only come with benefits. Here are some examples of potential risks. Firstly, traditional manufacturing facilities deal with intensive regulatory checks, which leaves little room for mistakes. However, the FDA cannot fully regulate 3D printing, so controlling the safety of products is more tricky. But more importantly, cyber risks lead to the increase of counterfeit medicine. Printers are much more vulnerable to hackers than traditional manufacturing processes. To conclude, this technology has been proven effective with many benefits. Yet, 3D printed medicine still has a long way to reach its full potential and be commonly used worldwide. The FDA has approved only a few products since the initial one in 2015. More research is needed to fully discover the disruptive effects it can have on the pharmaceutical industry. I hope you found this interesting. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. Adios.